Okay, so today we'll be starting with the Pico CTF series. So in this series, what I'll be doing is that I'll try to solve all the labs that are present in the this website Pico CTF. So you can just visit this particular website and you can find different kind of challenges here. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll start with all the labs and we will start with just the easy ones, and for each video we'll be solving one particular CTF. Okay, so what we'll do is that today we'll start with riddle registry. Okay, so to open it, just click on it. Okay, so these are the tags. So based on these tags you can understand that what kind of the task is there in the CTF. So let's understand the description. If you require, you can view these hints, but we will try to avoid using the hints just in case if we are stuck for a long time and we can't find any solution, then we'll be using this hints. Okay, so let's first understand. Hi, interpret investigator. You have stumbled upon a peculiar PDF filled with what seems like nothing more than a garbled nonsense. Okay, but beware, not everything is as it appears. Okay, amidst the chaos lies a hidden treasure, an elusive flag waiting to be uncovered. Okay, find the PDF here and uncover the flag within the metadata. Okay, so let's open this file. Okay, the ultimate. Okay, so here we have to, maybe we have to check this. Okay, let's see. But if you read the question, then if you read this line, find the PDF file here. Okay, this PDF file and uncover the flag with metadata. Okay, so there must be something in the metadata. I suspect that. So what we will do, we'll just download this one here. Okay, so okay, what we will do is that we will download it. Once it is downloaded, it would appear in your files. Okay, so I have already downloaded that file. So we'll open that file here. Let me check where I have opened or saved that file. Let's see, documents and CTF, Pico CTF. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so what we will do is that we have to check the metadata of this file. So the all the information that is present here would be of not much use, as we need to like analyze the metadata. So what I recommend is that we would go and open, say, a particular browser. Just a minute, we'll try to promote this thing. Okay, yeah, so now we'll open the browser and we will try to find a website that would extract the metadata file. So we can type metadata or extract metadata. Okay, so you can go to this website, metadata to go.com. So maybe we'll just check if this website works, or if it doesn't work we'll try some other. So as you can see, we need to upload a file, so I'll upload a file here. Okay, so it's uploading right now already, so we'll click on start. So let's see, is it okay? It has given some information. Let's see, this is the checksum. We don't really need this, but let's see what all information is there. Producer, author. Okay, so the author name is written in certain format. Okay, fine, the author name again, and producer name is there, and nothing more. BCFE. Okay, raw header. There is nothing much interesting, but if you understand this, it is a format. If you are regular with understanding the encoding or decoding format, this looks like base 64 format. So we can try one thing. We'll try to decode this. I'll just copy this and go to your favorite base 64 decoder or encoder. So I'll click on decode and encode. Okay, so we'll paste it here. Let's see if it gives you something. Okay, so yeah, see, we found the flag Pico CTF puzzle metadata found. So this is because usually Pico CTF keep this format. So this is our flag. Okay, I have to log in again, I guess. Okay, we got it. So here the Riddle registry, here we have to paste it. Okay, so click on submit flag. Okay, hooray, you solved this challenge. So we were able to successfully solve the Riddle registry challenge. Okay, so for the next video, we'll be solving some other CTF. So stay tuned. Bye bye.